Hi friends, how are you all of you? Because of Neva cyclone, we all are getting affected, right? So the climate is also so cool and we all are getting affected. Okay, so coming to our video, as Saturday come, I just want to represent my portfolio video to everyone. So today also Saturday, I'm going to explain my retirement portfolio video. So of course by seeing this you can easily understand, but you all know there's one more thing, that is my channel name is Be Inspired. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. I hope you all will do it, friends. Okay friends, so I'm not going to take much of your time and I'm not going to take much of your attention also. We'll start our portfolio video. So we all know one thing is that you are going to invest. There are so many online brokers are there. There are so many online agents are there. But I'm following here two stocks, or I'm buying through mobile apps. One mobile app name is Kuvera and the other mobile app name is Upstocks. So it is the Kuvera's login page for you. In this you can buy mutual funds and stocks. Of course, Kuvera is going to recently opened. It is diversifying with US stocks by using vested company. So it is mixed up with the vested company, and you can buy US stocks only from India. Do you know that you are going to buy US stocks from India itself? So how to buy US stocks? I already done a video. So please, if you want to buy US stocks, just very simple 3 steps. By using those 3 steps, you can simply buy your US stocks sitting from India. Okay. So this is the login page for that of Kuvera, and this is the login page of Kuvera, and this one is just now I pressed. This is the login page of Kuvera Vested. That is, if you want to buy US stocks, you have to buy from there. If you have to already completed this addresses, they'll ask, these are the things they are going to ask you. So if you complete this, just simply you can go with the sign up part. Okay, so this is about your Kuvera and how to log in. Also I already said that it is an online platform for mutual fund investments in India. It is operated by Aruk Advisory Services Private Limited and it has headquarters in Bangalore. Kuvera, the word, it is derived from the word Kuber. I think you all know about this. According to Hindu mythology, Kubera is nothing but Lord of Riches. So from there we derived this word Kuvera. Okay, so this is about your Upstocks. So you'll get like your username, password and all these things you'll get. So here you can have your username and password you can type if you are a member of this, or otherwise just simply go for create new account. If you press create new account, it is going to ask you these questions. Just simply follow the procedure and you will go through this. Open a Demat Plus trading account and get unlimited brokerage credit benefits worth up to 2000 rupees. So this is about your Upstocks, and this is also an online platform. You can buy so many stocks by using this Upstocks app. Also there is a mobile app also in the Play Store, and it is available in the Play Store, so you can simply go through it. So how to open a Demat and trading account, he given here. Fill up the form, paperless, and submit for verification, and all your details are scanned and verified for opening your account. Once verified, you receive a unique ID and you are ready to trade. So these are the simple steps to open your Demat account. So friends, I'm not going to take much of your time. So this is about Upstocks and Kuvera. And now coming to today's portfolio. So you all are able to see here 2 pie graphs. I'm going to read about this pie graph. Amount invested breakdown by mobile app. Here my mobile app is Kuvera and Upstocks. I already said about this. So by seeing this pie chart, we can easily understand that red part is more. So that means the highest amount I invested in Upstocks, that is 65.9%. And this blue part is going to explain for Kuvera. And this is saying that I invested my second highest amount in Kuvera, that is 34.1%. That is what this pie chart is explaining here to us. And coming to this pie graph, what is the title of this graph? Amount invested breakdown by invested vehicle. Okay, so you are going to invest the amount by using the 3 breakdown vehicles. Here for me there are 3 breakdown vehicles. One is ETF, other one is stocks, and the other one is mutual funds. So ETFs are nothing but exchange traded funds. I already said for you, ETF is nothing but exchange traded fund. It is not like your normal mutual funds. It is going to be a common stock, like a common stock in a stock exchange, and you can directly brought through, you can buy this ETFs either by a registered broker, or you can go through even mobile apps. And not only this Kuvera and Upstocks, you have so many mobile apps. You can go for any of that, like Zerodha is there, Angel Brokering is there, so like that, so many sites are there. You can follow any of this, but I am having this too, so that is the reason I'm just explaining about this too. Okay, so coming to this pie chart, this pie chart is explaining here one thing is that the highest amount I invested in ETF, that is 62.7%, and the second highest and the second highest amount I invested in mutual funds, that is 34.1%, and the least amount I invested in stocks, that is 3.3%. Okay, so these 2 graphs are explaining about my just investment only, in what I invested and how much part of it is going to take for investment. These 2 pie graphs are explaining about that. Now moving on to the next. So by seeing this, you can easily understand that these two are called bar graphs, and this is a bar graph title is percentage of profit since investment breakdown by mobile app. So from my investment to till date, it is going to explain here. So by seeing these 2 bars, you can easily understand very clearly that Upstocks is having highest profit, that is 50.37%, and least profit is there in Kuvera, that is 36.8%. And coming to this bar graph, this bar graph is explaining that percentage of profit since invested breakdown by invested vehicle. So of course you already see my invested vehicles, that is ETF, stocks and mutual funds. By seeing this bars, you can easily understand that the highest amount of profit I got in ETF, that is 51.71%, and second highest profit I got in mutual funds, that is 36.80%, and least profit I got in stocks, that is 24.74%. This is what these 2 bar graphs are explaining. If you observe properly, these 2 bar graphs are explaining about percentage of profit, how much percentage of profit I got from my investment to till date. Okay, and here also bar graphs only, but there is a small change. Of course these 2 bar graphs are also saying about percentage of profit, but a small change is this. Here is percentage of profit since last week breakdown by mobile app, from last week to this week, nothing but November 21st to November 28th. So November 21st to 28th, I got highest amount in highest profit in Kuvera, that is 1.69%, and second highest profit I got in Upstocks, that is 1.21%. That's what this bar graph is explaining here. And coming to the second bar graph, percentage of profit since last week breakdown by invested vehicle. So these are the 3 bars, ETF, stocks and mutual funds. And the highest amount of profit I got in mutual funds, that is 1.69%, and second highest amount of profit I got in stocks, that is 1.64%, and least amount of profit I got in ETF, that is 1.19%. Okay, so but this time when compared to last week, this week we have all profits. If you observe, last week we got stocks are in loss. When compared to last week to this week, we got stocks in loss, and that to the highest loss I earned in Reliance itself, 290 rupees. But this week when compared to last week to this week, we got only profits. There is no loss. Yes. So we'll just compare now 2 other graphs. Now if you observe here, these 2 are, one is pie chart and the other one is bar graph. And this pie chart is explaining that in what way I invested my amount, and this bar graph is explaining that how I got profit. But both belongs to mobile app only. Okay, both are explaining about mobile app only. So the highest profit I got in Upstocks, that is 50.37%. In the same way I invested highest amount in Upstocks, that is 65.9%. And second highest profit I got in Kuvera, that is 36.80%, and second highest amount I invested in Kuvera, that is 34.1%. So that means according to my investment, it is showing correct, because I invested more amount in Upstocks So Upstox is showing more profit, and least amount I invested in Kuvera, and it is showing second highest profit to me, right? Now if you compare these two graphs, if you observe these two graphs very clearly, these two are also saying about, this pie chart is explaining that in what way I invested my amount, and this bar graph is explaining about how I got profits. So if you observe this, I got highest profit in ETF, that is 51.71%, and here I invested highest amount in ETF only, that is 62.7%, and I got second highest profit in mutual funds, that is 36.80%, and I invested second highest amount in mutual funds, that is 34.1%, and I got least profit in stocks, that is 24.74%, and I got I invested least amount in stocks, that is 3.3%. So based on this, according to the investment, the profit is also shown. So that is the reason my investment is going in a correct way, right? We can even conclude this in this way. Very slight change between profit and between stocks and mutual funds, but both are showing equal amount of profits to us, right? Okay, so that's it, friends. This is about my retirement portfolio plan from 28th November to before 21st November to 28th November. So please like, share,